Imagine creating a new video like this using AI.
Breaking news. The traditional news industry is on the verge of a revolution. With the rise of AI, the way we consume and create news is about to change forever. But what if you could be at the forefront of this revolution, creating your own news channel that's tailored to your specific interests and preferences?
You're looking at a news video created entirely from scratch using AI tools. Yes, you heard that right, AI tools. This is no ordinary news video, it's a game changer. That's why today I'm going to show you how to create your own AI news channel in a simple step-by-step process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make AI news videos like this and start your own news channel. But if you're like many creators out there, you might be thinking, creating a news channel sounds great, but I don't have the resources or expertise to make it happen. You might be worried about limited resources or a lack of expertise in video production or journalism. You might think that creating a news channel is just too complicated, too time-consuming, or too expensive since most tools used to create these types of videos are paid. But what if I told you there's a way to create a professional-looking news channel using just free AI tools? So what are the tools you need to create a news channel with AI? We'll be using several free AI tools, including ChatGPT, Verbo, and Canva. These tools will help you create high-quality content, including news scripts, video clips, and graphics. With the help of these tools, you'll be able to create a professional-looking news channel that rivals traditional media outlets. Now let's go through the step-by-step guide to creating a news channel with free AI. Step 1. Collecting news from various sources. The first step in creating a news channel with AI is to collect news from various sources. We'll be using Google News and Google Trends to find the latest news and trending topics. Google News aggregates news from thousands of sources, making it a great place to find the latest updates. Just go to news.google.com. Once you're on the Google News homepage, you can search for news by clicking on any of the categories listed on the top of the page. For example, if you want to find news about the latest tech, just click on the Technology tab, and you'll find a vast number of articles on the latest technology. Review some of them, and try to find the trending ones. Browse through the headlines until you find a story that interests you. When using content from news articles, it's crucial to respect copyright laws. Instead of copying the entire article, it's best to summarize the key points in your own words or use short excerpts with proper attribution. A much faster way is to simply copy the entire post, head to ChatGPT, and ask it to summarize it for later use. To stay updated on the latest topics, you can set up notifications in Google Alerts. Google News Alerts are a great way to keep up to date on topics. When you create a Google News Alert, Google will send you an email with the most timely articles on a topic of your choosing. So let's say you wanted to know more about the latest tech and keep up with what's happening in the tech world. Just go to google.com/alerts, type in technology, and as you can see, we are already getting a bunch of results about tech articles discussing the latest tech. Next, click on Show Options to tailor your alert to your preferences. Choose how often you want to receive alerts. Options include as it happens, once a day, or once a week. Select the sources you want to include, such as news, blogs, web, or videos. Specify the language of the content you wish to receive. Select the geographic region for the news sources. Decide whether to receive only the best results or all results. Finally, choose the email address where you'd like to receive the alerts. After customizing your settings, click on Create Alert. Your alert is now set up, and you'll start receiving updates based on your criteria. To add more alerts for different topics, simply repeat the process. All your alerts will be listed on the Google Alerts page where you can edit or delete them anytime. This way, you'll receive the latest news directly in your inbox or on your device, ensuring you never miss out on trending stories relevant to your news channel. We'll also use Google Trends to see what people are currently searching for. Visit trends.google.com to access it. Use the search bar to explore specific keywords, check out the trending searches section for real-time data, and explore related queries to find additional angles on popular topics. By using Google News and Google Trends, you can collect news and trends that are relevant to your news channel. This information will help you create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Step 2, creating a news script. Now that we have our news topics, let's proceed to creating a news script, and for that, we will be using ChatGPT to create a unique and engaging news episode for our channel. First, navigate to ChatGPT's interface. In the prompt box, type, "Rewrite this post as a news episode for my news channel." Then copy the summarized post and paste it into ChatGPT after your initial prompt. Hit enter. ChatGPT will process the post and provide you with a brand new news episode script. complete with visual suggestions. Review and edit the script to ensure it meets your needs and maintains journalistic integrity. With our news script ready, we can start working on creating a professional-looking video that will engage our audience. Step 3, creating a news presenter. To create a news presenter, we'll use an AI tool called Verbo AI. It's not just a presenter creation tool, it's a perfect platform for content creators. With Verbo AI, you can generate content, voiceovers, avatar videos, translate video languages, edit videos, and much more. First, visit Verbo AI's website and click the Sign Up button. You can create an account with your Google email or any of the available social media accounts. Once logged in, your interface will appear with various options. Start by selecting a template. Preview some of them and choose the best one. Verbo AI generates avatars with hyper-realistic hand gestures, adding a professional touch to your videos. Now that our avatar is selected, we need to make it talk. Copy your news script and paste it into the avatar script box below. Click on the voice selection option and you'll find a vast library of voice actors. You can find the most suitable voice in the voice lab. You can also clone your own voice to generate a voiceover, but today we'll use an ultra-realistic voiceover from Verbo. Navigate to the All Voice Actors tab. Use filters to find the best voice using features at the top. Set the voice language, scene, add pauses, and adjust the speed of your voiceover. Listen to some of the voices and choose one. Since I selected a female avatar, I will choose a female voice actor. After listening to a few, I'm selecting this one. Before moving on, I'd like to change the background to green because we'll be replacing it with a professional news studio later. Our avatar script and voice actor are set. To generate the video, click the export button at the top right. Once the video is generated, it's perfect, just as I wanted. You can download the video to your device. Step 4, creating a news environment with Canva now. While you can use Verbo's backgrounds for a more professional look, we'll create a newsroom environment using Canva. You might need a Canva Pro account for this, but if you don't have one, you can enjoy a 30-day free trial. Once you're on the Canva homepage, create a new video design. Go to the Elements tab and in the search bar type News Background and navigate to the Videos tab. You'll see a vast number of newsroom backgrounds. Select one to use. Once the video clip is added to the canvas, set it as the background. Next, search for Shape Vector Frame in the Elements tab. Go to the Frame section and select a frame. Add the frame to the video. This frame will hold the B-roll footage, so place the frame as a screen. You can also add a border to make it look more polished. Upload the avatar video clip to Canva. Once uploaded, add it to the canvas and adjust the size and position according to your background. Click on the avatar video and select Remove Background to seamlessly integrate it into the scene. To make the video perfect, we'll add some B-roll footage. Be mindful of what B-roll footage you're using due to legal issues. Look for fair use footage. If you can't find suitable footage, record some yourself or use AI video generators. In this case, I'll use a B-roll from Canva. Insert the B-roll into the frame we added earlier. You might also want to add an intro to your news episode. Search the Elements tab for a news intro video and add it to play for a few seconds before your main content. And there you have it.
Breaking news. The traditional news industry is on the verge of a revolution. With the rise of AI, the way we consume and create news is about to change forever. But what if you could be at the forefront of this revolution, creating your own news channel that's tailored to your specific interests and preferences?